Namaskar. Today we learn the correct way of doing Surya Namaskar or the sun salutation. Surya Namaskar is a all-round exercise. There are different 12 positions, some of them which are repeated. So you can consider Surya Namaskar as a all-round exercise. When you don't have much time, maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes, if you do Surya Namaskar, it has front bending, back bending, the stretchings, and in the advanced version of Surya Namaskar, you can also hold the bandhas, okay, and the drashti, that is where to gaze. The drashti, 9 types of drashtis are there, and you can also put the bandhas and also the mantras. Like for example, you start with Om Mitrai Namah. Mitrai means friend to everyone. So similarly, you can also use mantras. So let us see what is the basic Surya Namaskar and what are the precautions to be taken while you do Surya Namaskar. The first very important thing in Surya Namaskar is that you start and end on the same position. So if you start on this line, you should be ending on this line also, not here. First thing. And the second thing where most of the people will do mistake is that bending in front and lifting from. So most of the people, what they do, when they go behind, okay, and when they come in front, they tend to bend from the upper back like this. See, they bend like this, and then go down and touch your hands. And while lifting from the bottom, they will lift like this from the upper back and go back. This is the wrong way to do bending. Not only Surya Namaskar, in any of the front bending, you have to be careful while bending, never from the upper back. So how we need to bend is that you always keep your upper arms with your ears and always bend from the lower back. How? When you go behind and when you are coming in front, always keep your ears with your upper arm and look in front and then bend straight, keeping them together. So till the 90-degree angle you should be straight. Now you drop your hands and then drop your head like this. Similarly, when you come up, you never raise like this. This is the wrong way to lift. So what you have to do? First, bring your hands near to your ears at 90-degree angle like this. See, and then you go behind. So this is a mistake you must avoid. Bending in front with your lower back, keeping your back straight, keeping your ears with your upper arm like this. Always bend like this and drop. Now let us start the Surya Namaskar. It has different 12 positions. The first one is the Namaskar Mudra. Namaskar like this. So there is a significance for doing Namaskar. The actual Namaskar is putting your thumbs to your Kantkoot here like this and then pressing your chest like this. So you have the Vishuddhi Chakra, which is responsible for positive thinking, and when you press your chest, the prana is elevated in Sushumna. So you will have a positive thinking about a person whom you are doing Namaskar. So that is the reason Indians were doing Namaskar like this. Okay. Now coming to the back to the Namaskar. You start from this. The first one is Namaskar Mudra. Then inhale, take your hands out. Inhale and go back to the maximum you can. The maximum. Then exhale, look in front, together, straight, straight, straight. Then drop put your hands in the same line. Okay. All the fingers should always to the same line. Then bend your hand and try to touch your knees. If you are not able to do this, what you can do? Slightly bend your knees like this and drop. Then take your right leg behind, right leg. And initially what you can do? You can rest your knee if you wish. This is fine. But the actual version is Ashwa Sanchalanasana, where you bend your left knee in front, feet resting on the ground. And then knee should be above the ground. And there should be a curve, Ardha Chandrakar, like a curve should be there. And you look upward. This is the actual position. Your knee will never rest in the actual position, but initially you can rest if you wish. So, chest upward and look upwards. Bhru Madhya, between your eyebrows. Then look in front, come to the 5 position, Bhunaman, parallel to ground, like this. Okay? Then the 6th position, here you touch your knees, slightly raise your hips and directly touch your chest between your hands. So the pelvic region will be up. There is a gap. I will again show. First, touch your knees only. Raise your hips slightly and directly touch your chest between both the palms, and then pelvic region will be up. And then from here, slide so that your feet become flat and look up. Pelvic region on the ground. From here, raise your feet first. And this is wrong. Don't raise like this. You should always raise feet and then first raise your knees first and then go in the Parvatasana. Here, feet will be resting on the ground, legs straight, knees straight, and drop your head towards the ground, pushing your shoulders down like this. And then bring the same feet between your hands. So all the fingers same line. If you are not able to bring it between your hands, what you can do? If it is here, slightly free your hand and force like this initially, and then again look up. Then in the 10 position, bring the other one, drop your head. Then raise your hands first and inhale and go back. And Surya Namaskar. Now watch in a flow with inhale and exhale. Namaskar Mudra. Inhale 2, exhale 3, drop your head, hands to the ground. Inhale 4, exhale 5, 6 is inhale as well as exhale. Change your breathing here. Slide, and 7 is inhale. 8 is exhale. 9 is inhale. The same feet up, knee above the ground. 10, drop your head, hands, all the fingers same line. Inhale, raise, go back, and 12. There are many variations in Surya Namaskar. One is a simple one. You can do it fast also. You can repeat in between two asanas, okay, or you can hold in a lot of asanas. So these are the variations which can be done in a Surya Namaskar. It's an all-round exercise. When you don't have much time, you can maybe do it. Start with 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar and do some pranayam. Let's say you will be absolutely healthy, and it is very helpful in reduction of weight also. Please remember, 90% of the fat burning is through breathing, not through sweating. So that is why it is very important to breathe in yoga. Thank you for watching my channel. Please share your feedback. Namaskar.